Hello everyone. I thought I would make a quick video showing the progress on the OgiLite Model 3, and I'm happy to say it's pretty well finished. A few minor things to do. Today I finished installing the tongue box and the battery. It's all hooked up now. The box is glued and bolted to the floor. You can see the tongue box is bolted to the tongue, but it's also glued to the tongue. It's completely bonded to the tongue, and I added this little brace here. It goes all the way across. Just close the lid here. Sorry for the shakiness and the noise. A lot of traffic going by this time of day. I'll show you inside. I was searching for something to use to close the door. And well, this little leather strap, I had a few of them laying around, so I used it. It works great. Now we'll go inside. Turn on a light. And you can see I built a shelf unit that also doubles as the electrical panel, and inverter is in there. Thermostat here to run the electric heater. Down here we have a ground fault circuit interrupter, and half of the plug on the left is where you plug the heater in, and power only comes down when the thermostat demands it. Right now, I just have a air mattress in here. This is the mattress I use when I go motorcycle camping. It's exactly the right width. And I have it set up sort of in couch mode. Anyway, everything's working now. As you can see, the lights work. Everything works. Just close the door. I haven't got all the wrap off the fenders, but they look fairly nice. I didn't realize these were nice polished fenders. So tomorrow I'll get that all cleaned up. See, I haven't even tried tearing it off on this side. Still got to work on getting off the tape residue here. And a few little spots that need to be cleaned off. That's also tape residue. Anyway, I'll make a little short video showing the completed product. Hope to take it camping in the next week or so. McGregor Point in Port Elgin has winter camping. So does Algonquin. I may go over to Algonquin because it'd be a good test. I put about 250 kilometers on it so far, and I haven't seen any problems at all, which I'm happy about. I want to get a small rain cap to dress this up a little bit. The one I bought for the OgiLite Model 2 isn't available right now, so I got to do some hunting for that. I also installed an outside receptacle on the battery box. And one more thing I'm going to add is going to be a couple of battery powered USB outlets on the inside. So the nice thing about this brace is Now I can just drill from the battery right into the cabin. Guess that's all for now. I did do about 75 kilometers the other day, towing it with my HRV, and the gas mileage was 9.3 liters per 100, which is hardly any penalty at all. This time of year, general use, I get about 8.8 liters per 100 kilometers. So I think that's actually fairly amazing. If I have time tomorrow, I'm going to take it to the landfill and get a final weight with the tongue box and the battery in it. All right. Thanks to everybody that's subscribed, and thanks for watching.